Welcome. In front of me is an HMD XR21, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Anyway, to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. You're looking for the Do Not Disturb one, so for me it is visible right here at the very front, but you might see it on other pages as well. Now, once you see it, simply hold this toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. Going over a couple of the options that I find useful in here, we have the duration for quick settings, which defines what will happen when you manually toggle it on. By default it is set to run until you turn it off, which if you enable it and forget about it, it's just gonna run indefinitely in the background. To me, not a very good option, so I prefer to switch it to a timed one and change it to something like 4 hours, which should be long enough to cover any kind of time that I need it for, plus just a little bit of time extra, just in case. And after that time, the Do Not Disturb mode will automatically turn off. Or if I remember about it, I can turn it off, the mode myself, before the timer runs out. Another thing in here is the schedule. And here you can select a fully automatic schedule, just choose the days of the week that you want it to run during, and start and end time. And if you're planning to use one, just make sure that it is toggled on like this one right over here. From now on, the device will turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode at the specified day of the week and start and end time. But for people that want to manually do it, find the toggle and simply tap on it this time around. And with the way it's set for me, it's going to run for 4 hours and then turn itself off. But like I mentioned before, I can do tap on it myself once more to turn it off, if obviously I remember about it. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.